Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I will be showing you some things that I've made for my Etsy store. I've been talking and thinking about it for quite some time, and I've eventually put some things together, and I thought I will make a video to show you what's going to be in my store. So this is the first stock that will be going in. And the reason I'm making a video is because I feel it just represents the product a little bit better. You get a clear idea of what you're getting compared to just posting photos on Etsy. So if these types of videos are for you and you love looking at it, then welcome. And if you're interested in anything, I will leave a link to my Etsy store down below in the description box. And if these videos are not right up your alley, that's completely fine. You really don't have to watch this. And I just want to ensure you that I will still be posting the normal content on my channel that I have been posting. This channel is not turning just into Etsy videos. There will definitely be more journal with me's, working in art journals, magazine videos, tags, making ephemera, and any other creative stuff that I'm getting up to. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video and I'll be showing you what I've got. So the first things that will be going into my Etsy store are these beautiful lace kits. I've got 3 different types, and I think I'm going to move this to the side and then we'll look at them one at a time. Okay, so lace kit number 1 have this beautiful thread card, and I love the vintage look of it and the feel of it. It's got a beautiful bird on, and you can, after you've used the lace and the ribbon that's on the card, you can still reuse this. It's perfect for any threads, whether it's embroidery or some string, ribbon, lace. You can really add anything to this card. So this will be reusable. And then on each card, I've got 3 lace and 1 ribbon. Now the lace, I have tried to go with this card for a very off-white beigey color. So it's very down that vintage line. And I will show you some of the lace that I've got on. They're all very beautiful lace, 100% cotton. And so you will get this one in. I'll try and bring it a little bit closer so you can see properly. So that's the first one that's on the card. Then the next one is this beautiful one. And then we have this, and I've tried to, with all the kits, just do a combination of some lace that's wide and some that's a little bit thinner. And then you also get some ribbon, and I love this measurements on it. So of the ribbon you will get 1 meter, and of all the lace you get 1/2 meter. So that is the first lace kit, and we'll be moving on to the second one now. So with the second lace kit, you get this beautiful card with, and it's got still going down that vintage look with this girl with a floral dress and a flower on her hair, and there's a little bird there. I really love these cards, and again, they're reusable. You can add your own thread on it. So you get 3 lace and 1 ribbon. This is what the ribbon looks like up close, and again you get 1 meter of this ribbon, and then all the laces, it's 1/2 meter going on. This is one of my favorite ones, and I really love the feel of it. You can feel it's good quality lace. That is the next one. And And then the last one, this is a thinner one. And with this kit, I've tried to mostly stick to white lace. So there's definitely a different color range on this kit compared to the bird one. You can see with the kit number 1, it's more off-white beige, and then with kit number 2, it's more going down that white clear line. Except for this one, I'd say this one is an in-between. It's not really beige or that off-white, but it's also not completely white, but I love the design on it. And now we're going to move on to the third one. This is the third and last lace kit, and it comes with this paisley card that you can reuse once again when you are done using all the ribbon and the lace. And this comes with 3 lace and 1 ribbon. So this is what the ribbon looks like. It's got these cute little buttons on, and it's a cream lace with red details on. You get a meter on each card of that ribbon. And then with this pack, I have put a combination of white and cream lace. And again, I've tried to put some that's a little bit wider and some that's a little bit more narrow. So both of these lace are cotton lace. And the last lace that I've added to this kit is this intricate one. This is guipure lace, and the difference, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, and the difference between guipure lace and cotton lace is that this lace is a little bit more firm, and it's made out of embroidery stitches that's very intricate. And then with the cotton lace, it's got more of an informal feel, and it's very soft. And that is the last lace pack. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will once again leave a link down in the description box if you're interested in any of them. I will also be posting 2 more videos of stock that I'm putting into my Etsy store. One will be coming to you tomorrow, and then another one on the day after. And then we will continue with the normal content that I usually post on this channel. And as I'm restocking Etsy, I will still be posting some videos of that too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!